Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel for another video. So another day, another camera gadget that may or may not change the way that you shoot forever. Or at least save you from looking like a human GoPro harness maniac in public. Okay, so here's the deal. I was deep in the trenches of YouTube, as you do, when I stumbled onto a video showcasing something called the Telesin Action Camera Neck Mount. And I thought, wait a minute, a POV mount that doesn't make me feel like I'm being hugged by a clingy robot? Count me in. Let's be real. Chest mounts, they suck. You feel like you're wearing medieval armor, except instead of protecting you, it's just crushing your soul and your ability to breathe. So I hit up Telesin, sent them a message like, hey, I like POV shots. I hate chest mounts. What you got? And they were cool enough to send this over. Full disclosure, they did send this to me for free, but, and this is important, no script, no puppet strings, just my raw, honest thoughts. All right, so let's see what's inside this box. All right, so let's pop this thing open. All right, we have, this is the, oh my God, that's a strong magnet. Oh, good. This is, all right, so I'm gonna have a little bit of fun getting that off. This is the magnet that connects to your phone. This is the phone mount that goes on the neck mount. That thing is strong. All right, so we have a wipe. This is the extra strap. So it's for people that you want it to feel more secure to you, kind of like a chest harness, but not. I mean, look how thin this is. This is nothing like a chest harness. So it's just an extra strap to help stabilization. Then we have the GoPro attachments, the T-screw, and then we have, oh, we got a little wrist strap in there too. And we have the neck mount itself. Okay, so first impressions, this thing is comfy. Like wearing it while binge watching Netflix comfy. And there's this soft silicone pad on the back that sits against your chest it's like a gentle little balloon hug. No digging in, no rubbing, just pure wearable bliss. Okay, so let's get this thing all set up and head outside and check it out. Hey, what's going on? So we're out here and we're testing the Telesin Neck Mount. Now, I didn't think ahead. I got kind of a long beard, as you guys know, and I didn't really think, what am I gonna do with my beard? So I just figured I'd tuck it behind it. It does kind of pull on it, but that's not the fault of the neck mount. That's my fault. So we're gonna get some POV. I'm walking through, it's like a little park. It's like a little mini wildlife refuge kind of deal. So we're just gonna walk through there. If I decide to take some photos, I'll pull the camera out, get some POV shots of that. But yeah, I mean, this thing already, I can tell you, from somebody who used the GoPro chest mount, this is so much better, just already. Leaps and bounds. I can put this around my neck and just go, like, I don't even realize it's there right now. I don't feel it. So we'll see what kind of shots we can get. We'll see if how stable it is around your neck, things like that. So we'll be putting it through some tests. So stick around. So far, seems to be working pretty good. So this is walking. So I can feel the back of the neck mount, that silicone piece up against my chest, so it feels pretty stable. As far as a run, I'm not sure how stable that would be, but we're gonna give it a shot. We're just gonna give just a tiny little jog, and we'll see what happens. So here's walking. Again, probably pretty stable, especially with the hyper smooth on the GoPro. So here's running. So that was for the little run. Not sure how stable that is. We'll have to wait until we get back and check that out. So far, without seeing the footage, I'd say Telesin hit it out of the park with this. Pretty good. All right, so I'm back, and I gotta say, I'm impressed. This is smooth as butter. There were moments that I literally forgot that I had this on. I was running, jumping, existing, and the footage came out stable. So compared to a chest mount, this thing wins, no question. It's lighter, less obnoxious, and doesn't make you look like you're suiting up for battle. It's not just for POV either. Watch this. Bam. Now, you've got a vlogging rig, or stand it up like a tripod, wrap it around a tree, hang it on your dog. Okay, well, maybe not your dog, but you get the point. It even comes with the lightweight straps as well that you can use for even more stabilization. And they're actually quite comfortable. You can use this with any action cam, and it even comes with the whole setup for your phone for those that prefer to shoot with their phones. They really thought of everything. I know, I sound like an infomercial. But wait, there's more. But seriously, I'm impressed. This is one of those rare things that does exactly what the promo video promised. And then so much more. I liked it so much that I joined their affiliate program. So yeah, link down in the description. You know, if you want to check it out and support the channel while you're at it. No pressure, but hey, help a dude out. So there you have it. If you're into POV, whether you're team GoPro or team smartphone and you hate the chest mount struggle, this Telesin Neck Mount might just be your new best friend. Now I want to hear from you. Who here is still repping the chest mount life? Drop a comment down below. Let me know. And while you're at it, smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and click the bell to be notified of future videos. Also, visit my website, jeff-gresham.com, to pick up my Lightroom presets pack that features 13 presets that I designed for all my photo projects. So until next time, stay creative, get out and shoot, and stop wearing torture devices disguised as camera gear. And I'll see you in the next video.